Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to invest in index funds on Fidelity. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. If you've already transferred money into your Fidelity account, it's important to understand that your cash is not automatically invested. Depositing money into your account simply places it in your cash balance. To start growing your money, you'll need to use those funds to purchase an investment, such as an index fund. One of the most popular options for long-term investors is an index fund. Index funds provide exposure to hundreds or even thousands of companies in a single investment, helping you achieve broad diversification without having to pick individual stocks. This makes them a simple and effective choice for many investors. To get started, log into your Fidelity account and go to your portfolio summary page. From there, click on the Trade button. Remember, transferring money into your Fidelity account is only the first step. The next step is actually purchasing an investment with that money. On the trading page, you'll see a drop-down menu that allows you to choose the type of investment you want to buy. Select Mutual Funds, since many Fidelity index funds are offered as mutual funds. Next, choose the account you want to invest from. If you have multiple accounts, such as a brokerage account, IRA, or other Fidelity accounts, make sure you select the correct one. Now, enter the ticker symbol of the index fund you want to purchase. For this example, we'll use FSCAX, which is the Fidelity Total Market Index Fund. This fund provides exposure to a broad range of US stocks across different industries and company sizes. After entering the symbol, Fidelity will display information about the fund, including its performance details and minimum investment requirements. Once you've confirmed the fund, select Buy from the action menu. Then, enter the dollar amount you would like to invest. For example, if you recently transferred $100 into your account, you can enter $100 as your investment amount. Fidelity will use those funds to purchase shares of the index fund. After entering the investment amount, click Preview Order. Fidelity will display a summary of the transaction showing the fund you're purchasing and the amount you're investing. Review the details carefully to make sure everything is correct. If everything looks good, click Place Order. Your order will then be submitted and executed at the fund's next available price. Once the trade is completed, the cash will be converted into shares of the index fund and your investment will officially be working for you. You can track the status of your purchase by visiting the Activity and Orders section of your account. Any pending or completed transactions will be listed there. Once the order settles, you'll also be able to view your index fund under the Positions section, where all of your investments are displayed. And that's how to invest in index funds on Fidelity. Also, these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. If you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, there's a detailed review that goes over everything you need to know. The video should be up on your screen right now, so just click it to start watching.